Hi there, Tim Pauly here, Finch Cadillac. I'd like to show you this 2012 Avalanche we just took in on trade. So an LTZ trim in the 2012, 20-inch wheels, power boards, 5.3 V8. Truck was oiled by the previous owner, so the body on this thing is in great shape. Just a couple little scuffs, nothing major. Tires on it are relatively new. Windows nicely tinted. Interior wise, we've got the gray leather. We've got ventilated and heated seats, memory seating, 140,891 kilometers. We have a navigation system that I can appreciate might be slightly out of date just based on the fact that the truck is 11 years old. Backup camera, sunroof. Beautiful shape. If you have questions about this truck, again, Tim Pauly here at Finch Cadillac. Thanks for your time.